Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this Suzuki Jimny. This is a 3-cylinder engine, that is K6A engine, and I'm trying to live, and this car has a lot of misfire on cylinder 3. So we are trying to fix this problem. The issue is very okay, and now we are checking on the compression. So we are going to check the compression for every cylinder. You can see that's the cylinder 1. So again we are checking. You see the compression test. This is for cylinder 1. You see it goes up to 125. Okay.
Kilograms.
That is kp. This is cylinder 1. We are now trying to see what's the problem. Also going to cylinder 2. Okay. Let's again check this compression. Number 3. So let's start crank. So let's see. You see this cylinder has a lot of row compression. You see. Okay. So you see this cylinder has an issue. You can't see the compression to cylinder number 2. We see again compression goes to 125, and now to cylinder 1. Crank the engine. You see goes to 125. So the possible cause, this engine has a row compression that cylinder, so gasket may be out, and we are trying to remove the cylinder head, and I'll give you an update on how it goes down. This K6A engine is a 3-cylinder engine for Suzuki Jimny. I'll show you also the timing and everything that you need to know when you're working on Suzuki Jimny. Remember to subscribe. Kevin Auto Insider here. Thank you.